Howdy y'all, this is Blake Cobble with Russ Darrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram of West Bend, and today from our pre-owned inventory, my pick of the week is our 2019 Jaguar XE 25T Premium. This vehicle is an absolute gem, and for that person looking for a good summertime car that they can take to the golf course that still has plenty of room for all that stuff, but want something that has a nice sunroof, a lot of premium comfort with the leather seats, but also something fun to drive on the highway with an elegant performance, I cannot recommend the Jaguar enough. This vehicle handles exceptionally well. It does have a sport performance mode to give it a little bit more fun to drive it, and it's in great condition with only about 28,000 miles. The market value for this vehicle is around $27,000-30,000 depending on equipment. We actually have this one priced today at $23,629, so it's an absolute bargain. So if you're looking for a fun summertime car with a great handling and premium luxury touches, come on down to Russ Darrow Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram of West Bend and take a look at our Jaguar today.